We must make sure that the app is compatible and the wayheads are compatible with Android or iOS Apple. Depends on what manufacturer of phone or tablet you are using. The other way of doing it is by sending the EID to a wayhead indicator that can calculate daily live weight gain from the weight and tell you if that animal is meeting the target. Either you can set these up to show you an error or a way to go that hasn't met target, or you need to know that your lamb should be growing at 150, 200 grams a day and worm the animals that are not achieving this target. There are the two basic ways of doing a target selected treatment. To do a target selected treatment, a TST, how Morden originally designed it, we need to know the live weight of the animal, its last live weight to create the daily live weight gain, the date of birth or the age of the animal, because as the animal grows, its growth rate slowly drops as it needs to eat more dry matter feed to do the feed conversion. Breed has a difference, location will have a difference, sex, feed availability again comes from location and weather. If it's been raining all week, the animal is going to be using more feed to create warmth to keep itself warm. So these will all have an effect on doing a TST. There is an app available from Cotter Agri that can work out the TST algorithm and show you if the animal is happy or sad, yes or no to treat. You can send the EID into the app from an EID reader and the weight from the wayhead, but we must check that these wayheads and EID readers are compatible with your Android or your iOS device. The second option is to send the weight and the EID out of a wayhead and indicator into the Cotter's Crate app. Again, we must check that our wayhead is compatible with Apple or iOS, depends what you're using. And then the app tells you to treat or not treat.